It's a certified 2017 Cadillac ATS sedan, blending power, response, and expression into an extraordinary sports sedan. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Canadian Driver reports the steering feel and response is second to none in its class. Yes, it's just that good. The car grips in the corners better than a compact luxury sedan should, and felt very neutral when I was tossing it around the handling course. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.